to talk oil after Ainslie comes along and does oil. We're going to have Lloyd doing currency strength and Geoff doing the technician 2 cents worth. Ainslie oil, how's it? I'm holding them along. I've been pretty happy holding it for a while now.
Hold it, Paul. Yeah, hold that long. I would definitely be holding that long. Where's my oil gone? Where's it? It's down here under my other favourite new friend, copper. We had a bit of a pullback last week, and that's to be a bit expected. There was a few fundamental things happening in the market economically anyway, but towards the end of the week, we saw it sort of hit this double. We've got, you know, a double bottom here, reversal, and there are a few things that are coming out just in this towards the end of this last week. One was India has just put a huge order through for oil from Saudi Arabia at a discounted price, but that is a lot to do with Modi has been having this $1.8 trillion expansion and revamping, architectural expansion of Delhi, and he's still pushing ahead with that. Some say that's possibly a little bit tone deaf just at the moment, but he's saying no, we've got to get this economy going and pushing it along. So that happened towards the end of last week. The other one was, and it'll be interesting to see how this plays out when the markets open on Monday, there was a cyber attack on the Colonial Pipeline in the US over the weekend. It shut it down. So how that will impact prices of oil, let's see how that goes. And thirdly, there was the UK has announced that they're opening up for vaccinated Brits that they can start travelling to 12 green zone countries. The only problem with that was 4 of those countries still have their international borders closed, which were Singapore, New Zealand, Australia, and Brunei. So Boris sort of missed that. But the whole idea of that is people are getting back on a plane, and that is just going to start, if not slowly, kickstarting things again. So towards the end of the week, we had a lot of fundamental, and over the weekend, some information there that is really going to see. And if you look at this on the daily chart, we're in an uptrend there, Paul. So yeah, I would be holding those. I'll be holding those longs. I really would. So yeah, hit resistance, pull back. That's on a technical basis. We've got a pin bar there. The next step is to hopefully break resistance, retest, and see it starting to head towards 70. That's where I think it's going.
Yeah, I tend to agree with that, Angie. Thank you very much for the analysis. It's always interesting to have a look at it. I think particularly when you've got a position in, I've been I took oil in Aston Geoff's show maybe 2 months ago at $60, and when you've got a position, you always have a little bit of a bias. It's always nice to have someone else have a look at a chart and see whether they concur with your agreement, your opinion or not. I'll be holding on to my longs for now, even into D-Day from Gordon.
Yeah, so the other thing is summer seasonal bias is also around the corner as well with May as well. So we're expecting it to keep on going up anyway. So that's just the extra icing on the cake.
I love it. Cheers, Ainslie. Thank you very much for that.
See you later.